Doing skincare as a man is not gay. In fact, it's the opposite. Look at these two photos. Be honest. Which guy do you think women are more likely to choose? Even a kid can see it's the second one. That's reality. Clear skin instantly makes you look healthier, more confident, and more attractive. The problem? Most skincare advice online is complete nonsense. DIY serums, random kitchen hacks, products that never actually fix the root issue. So today, I'm giving you the real 6-step routine every man should follow to get clean, sharp, healthy skin. Let's start. 1. Stop touching your face. The first and most important rule: stop touching your face. Think about everything you touch in a single day: your phone, steering wheel, door handles, gym equipment, oily food. Now imagine transferring all that bacteria directly onto your skin. That's how breakouts start. Here's a simple challenge. Every time you catch yourself touching your face without reason, you lose. Train yourself to become aware. This single habit alone can reduce acne dramatically. 2. Sunscreen. Look at this image. He's a truck driver. Notice how one side of his face aged much faster due to constant sun exposure, wrinkles, sagging, uneven skin. That's not genetics. That's UV damage. If you step outside without sunscreen, you're slowly aging your face. Apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. 3. Cleanse your face properly. Stop using hand wash or body soap on your face. Facial skin is more delicate and has a different pH level. Harsh soap damages your skin barrier. Use a proper face wash suited for your skin type. A salicylic acid-based cleanser works well for most men because it helps clean pores deeply and reduce pimples. Simple, effective, no overcomplication. 4. Exfoliate twice a week. Think of your skin like a window. Even if you wipe it daily, over time dust builds up and makes it look dull. Dead skin cells do the same thing to your face. Exfoliation removes that buildup so fresh skin can come forward. Your skin looks brighter, smoother, and your other products work better. But don't overdo it. Exfoliating every day will damage your skin and cause more irritation. Twice a week is more than enough. 5. Post-wash care. After cleansing, you need to apply the right product based on your skin type. Vitamin C serum is great for glow and brightness, but it's not for everyone. Here's how to identify your skin type. Wash your face. Don't apply anything. Wait 2 hours. If your skin feels tight and dry, you have dry skin. If only your T-zone gets oily, you have combination skin. If your entire face feels oily skin. If nothing feels extreme, normal skin. Now apply accordingly. Dry skin to moisturizer. Oily skin to lightweight oil control lotion. Combination or normal to vitamin C serum works well. Choosing correctly makes a massive difference. Now, here comes the last and most important step. 6. Diet. Skincare isn't just external. If your digestion is poor and your diet is weak, it will show on your face. Eat enough protein. Include vitamin-rich foods. Eggs are excellent because they contain essential amino acids your body needs for repair. Clear skin starts from inside. This is how you build skin that people notice instantly. That's it. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and check the link in the description.